let's look at this problem by Marlen. It says Marlen bought 5 things of gift wrap. They were $4.95 each. About how much did she spend on gift wrap? Okay, so we are going to be rounding. About how much? Let's go ahead and round $4.95 to the nearest dollar, to the nearest whole number. So we are going to go right next door and look at the 9 and the 10ths place. The 9 and the 10ths place will tell us what to do with the 4 in the 1's place. And 9 will round 4 up to 5. So $9.45 is closest to $5. Instead of $4, it's closer to $5. She buys 5 things of gift wrap. So what do we need to do? We're going to multiply $5 times 5 things of gift wrap, right? What's 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is 25. So she spends about $25 on gift wrap. Thank you, Marlen. All right, now we're going to check out this problem by Juan. There are 5 buildings. 3 have 500 windows each. 2 have 300 windows each. How many total windows are there in the 5 buildings? Okay, let's read that again. There are 5 buildings. 3 have 500 windows each. Okay, well, we have 3 times 500 windows. Then there are 2 buildings that have 300 windows. 2 times 300. And they want to know the total. Okay, so that means we're going to have to add these guys up. All right, so what is 3 times 5? 3 times 5 is 15. So that means that 3 times 500 is 1,500. And what's 2 times 3? Right, it's 6. So that means that 2 times 300 is 600. We're going to combine these two numbers to get the total number of windows in all 5 of these buildings. Okay? Starting on the right, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 6. Ooh, that's 11. Got a carry. Regroup that one. 1 plus 1 is 2. So there's a total of 2,100 windows in those 5 buildings. Let's look at one more here. This is by Antonio. He says Antonio bought 2 knives. About how much did he spend on both knives? Okay, so one knife is $23.95 and the other knife is $29.95. Pay attention to this word about. Okay, so we're going to round first. Let's go ahead and round $24.95 to the nearest dollar. $23.95. Can round up. We're going to look at the 10ths place. We are going to change the 3, right? The 3 turns into a 4. It's about $24, so it's closer to $24 than it is to $23. First knife. The second knife was $29.95. And we're going to round that one. Oops, same thing. We're looking at the tenths place. It's going to change the 9 to a 10. Oh, boy. So that means it's closer to $30 than it is to $29. About how much did he spend on both knives? Now we have to add these guys up. What do we get when we add 24 and 30? Four plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. So he spent about $54 on both knives. Good question.